Sonali, I've got some questions. Is it okay if a child sits on my lap when I read a story? One of the mums keeps wanting to talk to me after hours about everything that's going on in her life outside the centre. It's starting to worry me.
Well, I'm really, really glad you asked, because we actually at Child Australia have a PD around the traffic lights framework. The traffic light framework is designed to raise awareness and show the different behaviours, which are categorised between the red, yellow and green behaviours. The idea and intention of the professional development is to get educators to feel confident about what is not safe behaviours that they might see and what is unsafe behaviours. There will be some scenarios that we will unpack and uncover, and your actual sector specialist will go over each of them with you and talk about different lenses of how each scenario might look.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you.
That's
I'm
okay.
so pleased.
So if you hop online and book that PD course, you will get a little bit more information and some clarification around those.
Fantastic.